The ultimate bike experience is here. Introducing the Superstrata, the world's first unibody carbon fiber composite bike, custom made for you. Each one of our Superstrata bikes is 3D printed with continuous carbon fiber to custom fit your size, ride style, and riding experience. Our frame is made for your frame, which means it'll fit you. And you too. Our bikes are created with precision lasers and robots with quality ensured by our PhD-educated pros. That means a single unibody frame with no joints, no bolts, and no glue. Just one solid piece of industrial-grade carbon fiber. Made of the most advanced composite materials of any bike on the market, the frame is so light it weighs less than 2 water bottles. Seriously, we tested that. Our unique unibody design makes the Superstrata more impact resistant than any other carbon fiber bike on the market. Super light, super strong, this bike is nothing short of revolutionary. Looking for upgrades? We got you covered. Underneath the strong bones is an intelligent infrastructure for power and data flowing throughout the bike. Add all the gadgets you want after the campaign, or none at all, and focus on the ride. Roads, gravel, touring, or visiting grandmother's house at the top of that really steep hill without even breaking a sweat. Our beautiful battery design fits right into your custom-fitted frame, so you can hardly tell it's an e-bike. With its lightweight frame, comfortable ride, and high-quality specs, the Superstrata is the last bike you'll ever need. It will feel like it was made just for you, because it was.
Hi, I'm Wiener Mondesir, the CTO and co-founder of Superstrata. Carbon fiber bikes have been around for decades. They're known for being lightweight and beautiful. Unfortunately, they're also known for being fragile. One hit and your $10,000 bike, it's in pieces. We've solved that. Our engineers have built a unibody carbon fiber frame that's ultra strong and light. But don't take my word for it. Here's two-time Olympian and world record holder, Sky Christopherson.
To have a carbon bike that's light, but also really tough, is like a dream come true.
Hi, I'm Sunny Vu, CEO for Superstrata. To make the Superstrata possible, we've brought together an incredible team of materials specialists, scientists, engineers, designers. Our designer, Bill Stevens, he's an award-winning designer who's designed bikes like the ones that have won the Tour de France. Our team has shipped millions of units of products in the past, so I am confident we can deliver above your expectations. We just need your support to make this happen, so reserve your custom Superstrata today.
Experience power and versatility unlike any e-bike you've ever seen. Meet More Bikes. Designed from the ground up, More takes all the best features in existing e-bikes and enhances them with industry firsts. Full 100mm front and back suspension, fat tires, aircraft-grade aluminum, smooth power control, Shimano gears, hidden cables, disc brakes, and an incredible selection of the strongest mid-drive and rear hub motors available. Turn your commute into a daily joyride. More Bikes makes it easy to cut through hectic traffic and save money on gas, all while making your commute fun. Seriously, try to frown on one of these.
It was fast. It was really fast. It was faster than I thought it would be.
More can go up to 31 miles per hour, boasts a battery life that reaches up to 80 miles, climbs grades up to 25%, and can tow an SUV. That's right, an SUV. More features a removable front wheel and folds perfectly in half, making it easy to bring with you. Fit it in the trunk of your car and hit the road, or take it off the road for some serious action. This bike is powerful, real powerful. With fat tires and dual suspension, More Bikes can ride on any terrain and still handle like a boss. Take every bump, curb, and pothole. More comes with built-in innovative safety features, such as dual headlights twice as powerful as industry standards, turn signal lights to let cars and vehicles know where you are and where you're going, an electric horn to let people know you're coming. You won't find a safer e-bike. More power and more fun than any other e-bike in the market. Back our campaign today and change the way you commute forever.
you a daily commuter or a frequent traveler? Are you seeking a new way to get around in the city with more powerful, highly mobile, and portable magic? Stream is back. It is yours. Stream UR is the smoothest folding e-bike for urban exploration. It's fast. It's lightweight. It's foldable. It's unprecedented comfy with patented suspension, providing a smooth riding experience through the crowded city hassle-free. We use advanced magnesium alloy materials to create a futuristic streamlined frame. Magnesium alloys are lighter than aluminum alloys and are more durable and environmentally friendly than carbon fibers. It also greatly reduces the toxic gases and waste liquids produced during the production of carbon fiber. Realize the ultimate pursuit of green travel. The comfort of riding Stream UR is absolutely unprecedented. The unique patented rear suspension makes you addicted to riding, and you don't feel tired even if you ride for a long time. Durability is 3 times higher than traditional hydraulic components. Stream UR is fast and powerful. It provides 5-level electric assist mode to customize your cycling and to strengthen your pedaling. You may also use twist throttle to go full electric riding. Release your feet. Fast riding has never been so easy. Stream UR is so compact that you can carry it anywhere, indoors, upstairs, onto the metro, into office, and your car. The unique powerful magnet suction and bottom roller design so it can walk with you easily. The batteries are hidden in the seat post, the magic mini space for efficient capacity. It can be easily removed for charging or storage. Now, the smoothest folding e-bike is coming. Can't wait to own the joy of urban exploration? Back us on Indiegogo. It is yours.